If you click into this video, chances are you are looking for a DTF printer you can truly fall in love with, right? And if you are looking for a DTF printer, that probably means you are an individual creator or running a small custom printing business. Your printing volume isn't particularly high and you want a machine that's easy to use, has a low earning curve and doesn't place high demand on working environment, right? So let's get straight to the point. How does the XtraMaker M1 actually perform as a DTF printer? I will give you my conclusion upfront. It's the easiest to use, the most hassle-free and the most complete DTF printer I have personally used so far. No exaggeration.
The clothes I'm wearing right now were also just printed using this printer.
Now follow along with me as we run a real print on the XtraMaker M1 and you will quickly see how big its advantages really are. DTF stands for direct to film, which simply means printing the design onto a special film first and then heat pressing that design from the film into fabric. Compared to the direct to the garment printing, the biggest advantage of DTF are its simplicity and the convenience, which is exactly why this became so popular in the recent years. Once you take the XtraMaker M1 out of the box, the setup process is extremely simple. First, attach the front cover, then remove the foam packaging inside the machine that protects the printing mechanism. Next, connect the exhaust duct, plug in the power cable and connect the USB cable to your computer. At this point, the machine is basically ready to work. And of course, DTF printing requires consumables. You will need to fill the machine with ink and hot melt powder. You will also need DTF transfer film. Make sure the glossy side is facing down, the matte side is facing up, and feed it into the top inlet of the machine. Finally, you can use the cardboard sheet included in the box to quickly fold a small basket to catch the finished transfer film as it comes out. If you are particular about your working environment, you can also wear the gloves provided in the package. I really have to give XtraMaker credit here. The attention to the packaging detail is excellent. In addition to the basic accessories, they also include a complete set of consumables and tools for future maintenance. For users who are new to DTF printing, this kind of "we have already thought ahead of you" design is a huge plus. Before officially starting the print, let's first check whether the machine is operating properly. On the machine, you can select the print head check. The printer will output a test film to verify the condition of the print head and ink flow. If you see a complete continuous pattern like this, everything is working perfectly and the preparation process is officially complete. One more thing worth mentioning. All consumable access points that requires frequent operations are located on the front of the machine, and the ink bottles feature specifically designated nozzles, making refilling almost splash-free. These small details may seem insignificant, but they make a huge difference in long-term daily use. To further lower the barrier to entry for DTF printing, XtraMaker integrates printing, powdering, shaking, curing and air purification into a single machine. What does that mean? It means that with just one XtraMaker M1 plus a heat press, you can complete the entire workflow from design to the finished products. In particular, the powdering step stands out. Not only it is fully automated, so it wouldn't mess up your desk for your room, but it also supports powder recycling. An A4 size transfer film consumes only about 40 grams of hot melt powder. At the same time, the machine is equipped with a dedicated filter on the side, ensuring that the powder does not escape through the exhaust system and enter the air. This makes it very friendly for indoor use. This is especially important for people working from home, in shopping malls or in small studios, and it also the key factor that truly transforms DTF from an industrial machine into a desktop-friendly solution. Software operation and printing process. The next step takes place on your computer. Open the XtraMaker application, select the design you want to print and upload it. If you don't have a clear idea of the actual print size, you can switch to the 3D preview mode, which allows you to visually see how large the design will appear on the garment. This greatly reduces trial and error.
Because there can be visual differences between a 2D flat preview and the actual result, XtraMaker specifically developed this 3D preview feature to prevent you from accidentally printing a chest design onto the shoulder. This is also one of the unique advantages of the M1.
Almost the entire workflow can be completed offline. The only feature that requires an internet connection is AI image generation. Once your design is ready, make sure to leave enough safety margin around the image. After confirming everything looks good, simply click print. You can choose between the faster printing or higher details depending on your needs. Printing a full sheet takes about 5 minutes.
You can also see the estimated cost of this print on the same interface, which is another thoughtful feature from XtraMaker to help you run your store more efficiently.
Once finished, the print film is automatically ejected from the front of the machine. Throughout the entire printing process, almost no manual intervention is required. This click and walk away experience is incredibly convenient for multitasking or handling multiple orders at the same time. When adding hot melt powder to the machine, you will notice that inlet at the bottom labeled moisturizer only, while in standby mode, the XtraMaker M1 automatically circulates white ink through the system every 15 minutes.
During my use, I didn't experience any ink clogging or any decline in print quality,
preventing sedimentation and clogging. In the event of a superpower outage, the built-in UPS activates automatically, replacing white ink with the moisturizing fluid to further protect the print head. For any machine with heating elements, fire safety is critical. To prevent accidents, the oven in the XtraMaker M1 automatically shuts down if the temperature exceeds 200 degrees Celsius. Built-in sensors will also stop operation and alert if any abnormal conditions are detected. Without question, the maintenance system on the XtraMaker M1 is one of the best I have seen among DTF printers. The final step is transferring the design onto the garment using a heat press. First, press the garment to smooth out the fabric. Then place the transfer film together with the garment into the heat press for the second press. Since this heat press is semi-automated, even users with zero experience can achieve great results. Peel off the surface film and then the garment is finished. If you want better wash durability and stronger edge adhesion, you can place the film back over the design after the garment cools down and perform a second press. The final result is a garment with vivid colors, clean edges, and no lifting. The second major advantage of DTF printing is that it can be applied to almost any fabric. This includes natural fabrics like cotton, linen, and silk, performance materials such as the polyesters, nylon, as well as the rugged denim and canvas. With the right heat press and settings, you can cover nearly all apparel categories. As for printing quality, all the samples you see were printed using the XtraMaker M1. In my opinion, its sharpness and the color performance are more than sufficient for the vast majority of individual users and small businesses. Its consistency in details and color reproduction left a particularly strong impression on me.
Even on dark fabrics, you can still achieve excellent print results. Other printing methods such as DTG or sublimation printing don't always deliver results this good.
The 5-in-1 integrated design of the XtraMaker M1 is easily one of the most highly integrated DTF solution I've seen to date. It elevates the DTF printing experience to an entirely new level, giving individuals and small businesses the ability to quickly customize the wide range of garments and materials. More importantly, it's compact, environmental friendly, and automates as much of the maintenance process as possible. Everything XtraMaker has done with the M1 ultimately serves one purpose: to make printing something that everyone can enjoy with ease. I'm Victor, and see you again next time.